The comment is made on it, but there have been a lot of controversy about how fast to do these things. In fact, there's a full editorial to why we're not implementing cameras faster. The reality is that maintenance is a problem. Since we have gone digital in the telecommunication system, nobody in the country, nobody has an effective island-wide technology maintenance system. Cayman Islands used to have the technology technicians across the island. A wire break you fix at the same time. They have changed their entire operation, so there's no national body with a full maintenance program. And when we use the various small bodies around, we get different quality. So there's a significant number of cameras are down, and it's among the reasons why we have go at what you call a steady pace to execute, because we have to overcome the maintenance problems. So we have just about 1,000 cameras down now. Santa Cruz is one that has a good layout. I was there when it was being installed. Mandeville has a fair number, but in fact Santa Cruz has one of the best layouts. They have 75 cameras across it, but most of them are not working. It's a technical issue of maintenance. So we have in fact negotiated a new company, a Jamaican company which is willing to go in and establish a system, and we should be ready to roll out in this year. We have been fixing them intermittently. Bear in mind, it's a major procurement issue, right? And let me say it here, because we have to get a company that will do the island-wide, buy the bucket trucks that can go on the cables, as well as have the equipment to go on the ground and find it and fix them properly, train technicians. It's not yet a major service required across, and therefore we'll have to negotiate with the individual company that will provide the investment. And what you'll hear first is that the company is Connect Jamaica that we are working with now. There's no contract yet, so maybe I'm actually breaking the rules by going ahead. But the reality is they are the only company who has shown the ability to get in there and set up the operation required. In the procurement process, what happens is if there's competition, people feel that they are individuals who certainly say, is your friend you set up, it major work, it's costly, and we'll have to get it done. So we have to follow a process that shows fairness, transparency, and it takes time. You refer to a water system in that Mr. Hodges offered to, and some of my friends in Newmarket laughed, but I went to the well in 2007 because I do take an interest in the area. I'm from here. I had a contract to New World School. Well, New World's here. And when I got elected, the officers came to me and said, Dr. Chang, the contract has started and you want to move it? I didn't know where I'm from. Talking about running water in New York, you want to move the contract. And we started, and then Mr. Hodges spoke to me, and I came out here and went to identify the well. In fact, I remember it very well because there's a gentleman who owned the property, had a pit toilet above it, and we had to get him to move it. We moved from then, and the well's still not active nearly 14 years later. Right? We finally got it going now, and I think where it is now, I'm aware of what's happening in the Water Commission, and now the budget is structured. You should have it operational early in the new year. But procurement can be a problem, and one have to handle it, even when transparently there are those who ask questions. I don't think we'll get anyone in this particular case, because it's something that has to be done, and the law does allow for security exemption, but even that can be challenged sometimes, but we know we need it. And we want to establish an effective maintenance system for the 1,000 cameras we have, because we have identified the 3,000 sites that requires CCTV across the island that will provide us with an excellent coverage and will significantly impact criminal behavior, as well as the ability to apprehend